Wow! What a week! What a week! What a week! Look at these charts. This is absolutely crazy. So right now we're looking at the weekly open for a few of my preferred stock picks, and it's crazy. These drops are mad, and we all seen it coming. Coronavirus was going to destroy the market, but this is so quick. I'm recording this on Wednesday. This is the weekly open that we're looking at right now, and God, I didn't expect a double drop. A little bit of a bounce back on Tuesday, but Wednesday is bad as well. So what we're seeing right here is Apple minus 6%, Amazon minus 5%, Google 6%, Facebook 6%. So all the major market caps are taking a massive beating. Airlines are getting wrecked left, right and centre. Boeing, American Airlines, anything to do with travel is fairly gone. Oh. So once again, for the next couple of minutes, this is just going to run through the daily opens today, the charts, what they're looking like on the 11th of March 2020. 3 things I want you to note. Number 1, Boeing Airlines charts. Boeing Airline or just Boeing? Boeing. Look at its chart, it's laughable. Number 2, look at the S&P 500. Tells a lot about the current story of the marketplace. And number 3, please don't judge me of how many uranium stocks I'm looking at. So what do we know? I'm going to just state 3 hard facts on what is absolutely raping the market right now. Number 1, this has obviously been caused by COVID-19, which as of today is a global pandemic. So today is the 11th of March 2020, officially a pandemic today. This has caused a distrust in the market stemming from the last month or so. This is led by China's supply chain issues when, as you think, there are so many companies depending on China. Think Apple, think Amazon. If they are not getting their intermediaries, their raw produce from China, then they can't produce their final product. And finally, crude oil, which has absolutely jumped off a cliff in the last couple of months. It's gone straight from $60, where I can see it here, and it's heading straight towards 30, a lovely little 50% loss. So what are the market leaders predicting? Market leaders right now are talking about lows of 2008 style. So that is so far off the bottom if that's what they're talking about. There's so much more blood to be seen, which is terrifying and so exciting if you have the right mindset. You have to be seeing this as you're walking into a shop and everything's at 20% discount right now. So you might walk in 2 weeks' time and it might be a 40% discount. That's just how we have to see it. The only way we can really hope to see this slowing down is if the numbers of total cases of coronavirus start to slow down. If we see a plateau in the numbers of deaths and the number of new cases, we will see a bounce. It may not be a great bounce, but we will see a bounce. So what are the positives? There are some positives to take from this, definitely. More so from a financial point of view rather than an actual life point of view. So here's the first one. Hopefully it's killed by the warm weather. In past, coronaviruses as a genus have been killed by the warm weather. That is not something we can guarantee, but that is something we can hope for. Really hope that works. Secondly, 2.4% mortality rate is what being reported at the minute. That's included China's skewed data, which we can't really trust at the minute, but that's what's being reported and that's what we have to go by. 2.4% is not massive. It's awful, but it could be a hell of a lot worse. Hopefully no mutation takes place in the virus to bring this any further. Once cleared, we will see a massive rally in stock prices. Everything will bounce. Money will flow back into the market like there's no tomorrow. And lastly, the possibility as all traders that we should be looking out for to get every one of our favourite stocks, everything we've been watching for years, months, weeks, at massive discounts. Think setting your expectations low and double it. Bring it down as far as you can, and you may get your ideal entry that could make you so much money in the future, so long as you stay healthy. Hope you enjoyed and stay safe out there.